Hello from Okanagan Lavender and Herb Farm. I'm here today to show you how to make a really fun Christmas craft. They are little star-shaped ornaments made out of beeswax and essential oil. So I have my beeswax here from Arlo's Honey Farm, and I have a tablespoon of Douglas fir essential oil. You can use any essential oil that you want, but for the holidays, Douglas fir smells pretty good. So what you want to do first is melt your beeswax. You can just put it into a pot on the stove. And you want to melt down about half a cup. So once your beeswax is melted, you just want to get a stovetop friendly stainless steel pitcher. We have ours sitting on an element here, keeping it warm, because beeswax cools so quickly. If it's not heated up, you're just going to have a pitcher filled with hardened beeswax, and it's not going to pour very well. But you do obviously want to be careful not to burn yourself. If you just keep your pitcher on the edge of your stovetop element with the handle pointing outwards, the handle won't heat up, so you should be okay. So like I said, we are using about half a cup of beeswax and then a tablespoon of essential oil, whichever essential oil you prefer. We're using Douglas fir today, but balsam fir is another really nice Christmassy scent, and really anything that you want to fill your house with. So I'm combining it with the beeswax. Give it a little stir. And it's time to pour. Now, the nice thing about using a silicone tray is that they're really easy to pop out when they're hardened. Also, if you make a bit of a mess like I did, you can easily just scrape that extra beeswax off and pop it back in your pot to warm it back up again and pour new ornaments. Okay, so once your beeswax starts to dry, it's going to go a bit more opaque. You don't want to wait till it's completely hard and yellow. You want to pop them out a bit earlier. So you just take your mold and pop it out. And if you want to use your little figure as an ornament, just use a toothpick and pop a hole in there. This is why you want to do it before the beeswax melts completely or hardens completely. Otherwise, you're going to have a really hard time poking a hole. There we go. So just as a comparison, here's the star I just popped out of the mold and poked a hole through. Once the beeswax is completely cooled, it will turn much more yellow, and that's when it's ready to string to be an ornament. So you can use fish line or wire. We have some here that we strung with copper. And this makes a really cute ornament for your tree or just holiday decoration around your home that's lightly scented. And if you want to do a little Christmas holiday giveaway, maybe for a present, for a friend, you can do your own little beeswax star gift sets. So thanks for joining me at the farm today. I hope you have fun making your craft.